What's your bond right now? You don't know? You don't? Every defendant I know knows what the answer is to that. Yeah. Why did I up it, do you think? Because you tested positive for coke and marijuana in court. See any good reason to do that, you think? Yeah, I don't look, I mean, like, I can't believe it's not butter. It's, you flunked the test and you know. But I'm looking at this indictment. I've never seen so many convictions. How many theft convictions do you have? Do you know? What does it say about someone they don't even know? How many convictions have? Yes. Yes. 16.
In our first case, we have a defendant who apparently missed the memo on proper courtroom attire because, as Judge Stevens put it, he's dressed like he's going to a clam dig rather than appearing for his big day on trial. But what really makes things worse is that he also tested positive this morning. We all know this is not a good look for the defendant, but has he truly dug himself into a deeper hole? Only time will tell. But in our second case, we have a female defendant with a staggering 16 convictions under her belt. To Judge Stevens' astonishment, there were literally too many for her to count. To make matters worse, just like the first guy, she has also tested positive. Will she be granted a chance to turn things around? Or has she reached the end of the line? Stay tuned to find out.
Seaver Gordon. Seaver Gordon.
Tom Kelly Adam.
23-41393.
I believe, Judge.
You can't make this stuff up, really, Tom.
No, Judge.
God bless. I know that's so unlike you. Really? Really? This is set for trial. You think you're going to impress a jury? Dressed like that, sir? You look like this is a clam dig. This isn't a clam dig. Really? You really? All the jurors are going to be dressed in ties, well coiffed, neat, and this is how you're going to impress a jury? It's jury day. I mean, we could call you right now and pick a jury here at 1 o'clock. You think that's? Do you wear that to church, Mike, for example? That's not funny. It's not funny. This is basic stuff. Well, actually, you can dress any way you want, but it's foolish to dress like that in court. Two things. You either don't understand and appreciate intellectually the importance of what's going on, or you really think it's not important and it's not, there's no reason to be respectful. Either of those are bad choices to make. All right. Why don't we try this today?
I can try it, Judge. I'm ready.
I'd like to
not try to make Judge.
Okay, why? On this one? What, did you have a resetting on? Did you have a motion?
It's filed Friday, Judge. You may not have.
Next was filed Friday after I
Into your
worked the
file.
files.
Tip me off
You're-
on this.
you're all right.
Call me, you're gonna get some slack. Just let me.
I understand.
Something
that.
came up.
And it's certainly
Something
not-
came up at the last minute.
not hard.
As I stated,
Did you
Judge, I
retain on this?
I am.
Well,
have no objection to him having time, Your Honor.
how long have you been representing the defendant?
72 hours.
You've only been representing for 3 days?
Yes, Judge. You were hired Friday. What I was trying to say was it's not our practice to
Okay,
not
hold
tip
on.
the court off 3 days before a trial sitting.
Hold on. What's your bond right now? You don't know? You don't? Every defendant I know knows what the answer is to that. Yeah. Why did I up it, do you think? Because you tested positive for cocaine and marijuana in court. See any good reason to do that, you think? That was just in what? May? I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised you make decisions like this when you're making other poor decisions, like let's use cocaine and marijuana. All right, I've granted your request and I find good cause, Langston, you are released. We're going to set this for trial soon though. And this one is one that shouldn't be a real problem to get tried quickly. Looks like it's pretty succinct, so it'll be set in a few weeks, please. And you're going to get a resetting. You're the lawyer. He's going to get drug tested again. I don't trust him. Lance Dixon. Yeah, Lance Dixon, please. 23-41449. He's tested positive twice. While on bond.
Okay, I'll.
That's fine. Okay, we're just following instructions.
Lance Dixon, 23-41449. On Mr. Gordon there, he flunked the drug test.
What do you have?
He's got marijuana in his system. Yeah, I don't look, I mean, like, I can't believe it's not butter. It's, you flunked the drug test and you've only, that's your third failure. That's your third failure. Yeah, you can have a drug patch. The drug patch isn't going to make an alarm and ring bells. The drug patch is taken off and then it's sent for inspection. We've tested your urine and that's pretty positive. So we just get a resetting.
Thank you.
But only for like 4 weeks on this one, so we can rotate this thing around. I
Yeah.
want to see where we are on getting everything done, but
I can
get
work on
this
I can.
quickly. Thank you.
Thank you.
Later that same evening.
Come on up, Mr. Gordon. Here's Mr. Goodos. You building up a rich history here in just this case. You tested positive for marijuana back in June 12, which was 2 weeks after the cocaine and marijuana positive in May 29. What is his bond now?
$60,000.
Well, it's doubled to $120,000. Your bond is revoked. You are taken into custody. You will continue. Don't interrupt the court. You'll have a chance to speak, but your lawyer would tell you not to say anything. Your bond is revoked, and it always doubles. It always doubles when you fail a drug test, and you must continue to have a drug patch. And it will keep going up. It will be costing. It will continue to cost you, but the rules must be followed in this court. Do you understand? Taken into custody. That is something.
Good point.
And tell the attorney that his lawyer's in custody now. Hello. Oh, hi. Yeah. No, I said hello to you too, but I'm looking at this indictment. I've never seen so many convictions. How many theft convictions do you have? Do you know? What does it say about someone they don't even know? How many convictions have? Yes. Yes. 16. That's in courts of law that are courts of record. I don't know how many JP or Class C misdemeanors you have, but you got 16. I don't think I've ever seen one so long. And so here we are today with a theft. Do you understand? If you steal, like I tell the label, a pack of gum, it's a felony from now on. Do you understand? And it's what the way the laws work. That you make so many mistakes, and you have to pay a higher price. All right, yeah. Are you retained on this?
No, Your Honor,
I'm not surprised. You're appointed. So now the taxpayers are paying your way along for your mistake. What do you think about that? Or do you think? So what are you doing about it?
I'm trying,
Ma'am?
trying to fix my life.
How? What are you doing?
Since,
It's always fixable, never too late. So,
right, you're right. Since I've been out on bond and stuff.
yes, ma'am.
I've been studying continuously looking for a job. I've been doing a lot, my meetings, my AM meetings.
Oh, okay.
My AM meetings, I've been doing my meetings.
Is it alcohol that's your problem or drugs? No.
And actually,
Yeah.
to be honest,
Oh, yeah, that's a good thing. Being honest with the court is always a good, is advisable.
by you putting me in jail that day, you saved me.
So, but when did I do that?
She was out on bond, Your Honor, and she came in for a bond docket today, and then in Chester, she was positive we put her in jail. She was, how long were you in jail? 2 months?
Yeah.
Yeah, she was in.
Okay. What was the bond?
It started off at 10 and then it got to 2 minutes.
So how'd you get out?
She was able to finally get,
I mean, you're too poor to hire a lawyer, but somebody got your bond, huh?
My mother was
Your
sick
mom?
and she.
Your mother?
Yeah.
She's got to pay her own bills. She doesn't need to be paying for your mistakes. Hold on that. I shouldn't ask a lady that. You're not much younger than me. You're not much younger than me. Don't tell everybody. They'll know my age. Trying to tell everybody I'm still 30 something in dog years. Yeah. But really, this is ridiculous. This is way over the top. HEB, huh?
yeah, sure.
God bless you. I mean, yeah, I'm pretty lenient with this sort of thing. I mean, if you're picking up, food, but it's Keurig coffee makers, you're just trying to steal. Those are expensive, because they're really good things. They make great gifts at Christmas, by the way, John.
I'll remember that.
For you, for your family. All right, look. What we're gonna do before we reset anything, we're gonna go through the round and sit over there, and then you have another one?
No, that's the only one I have, but we'd like to put this on the trial.
Yeah.
We've already gone on and discovered it several times, and we
All right.
want to try.
All right. John West is a very good lawyer. You probably know that, and he can handle your case. It may go to trial quicker if you agree to release him, but we could put somebody today from the trial docket wheel, but it's your call. If he had to try everything, it would take a while, but we can get somebody off the trial docket wheel, which is quicker, but it's your choice. Nobody influences you. You have to it's your choice. It's your choice. Don't get John can't help you, or he gets in trouble with the Indigent Commission, and so do I. We can't nudge you because it's your choice. What do you want to do?
Okay.
You keep him? Well, he's a very good lawyer, and
And
I don't think this would take.
I would like to keep this one, Your Honor. I don't know.
All right,
I'd like to
and
kind of
you will
fix
continue to
really
be
well
the attorney of
on
record. All right, but just have a seat before you leave and get a resetting.
All comments, viewpoints, interpretations, and insights expressed in this video are for education and entertainment purposes. All individuals featured in the video are to be presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Please do not attempt to contact, locate, or engage with any individuals featured in the video.